Recently, India's armed forces participated in Exercise Conquest 2025 with which country? Correct option is C, Mongolia. Where has the AI Action Summit 2025 co-chaired by PM Modi? Right option is D, Paris, France. What type of chemical bond is predominantly found in carbon compounds? Correct option is A, covalent bond. Which Indian player received the PSA Awards 2024-25 in June? Correct option is A, Anahat Singh. Which of the following cell organelles has a complex network of pipe-like structures throughout the cytoplasm? Correct option is C, endoplasmic reticulum. The wetland sites of Khichon and Menar were officially designated as Ramsar sites. Is located in which state? Correct option is B, Rajasthan. What is the primary reason for adding washing soda to water when washing clothes? Correct option is D, to soften hard water and improve the effectiveness of soap or detergent. Where did the DRDO successfully conduct the first flight test of its indigenous stratospheric airship platform? Right option is B, Shiopur, Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following elements has a valency of +2? Right option is C, beryllium. Fire Safety Week or National Fire Service Week in India is celebrated annually during which period? Correct option is A, 14th April to 20th April. Fleming's left-hand rule is used to determine the direction of which quantity in a current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field? Correct option is D, the force acting on the conductor. Which countries were represented by the astronauts on the historic Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station? Correct option is B, USA, India, Poland and Hungary. Which of the following statements is correct about a suspension? Correct option is C, both A and B. What was the total budget allocated to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports in India's Union Budget presented in February 2025? Right option is C, 3,794 crore rupees. Who won the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year award in 2025? Correct option is A, Armand Duplantis. What will be the time period of a wave having a frequency of 250 Hz? Right option is B, 0.004 second. Under the Stopped Area program in India, ORS and Zinc packages are distributed to children in which age group for diarrhea management? Correct option is C, 0 to 5 years. Who is the current chief of the UK's Secret Intelligence Service? Correct option is D, Blaise Mithravelli. In a concave mirror, if an object is placed between the pole and the focus, where is the image formed and what are its characteristics? Correct option is C, virtual, erect, magnified behind the mirror. What is the other name of the Online Gaming Bill 2025? Correct option is D, the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. According to World Bank, what percentage of the world's population now has access to electricity under Sustainable Development Goal 7? Right option is A, around 92%. Cross-pollination does not occur by which of the following? Right option is B, light. Who became the first Indian to receive the UK's prestigious Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award in 2025? Correct option is C, Sudarshan Patnaik. When you sit on a chair, what force acts in the opposite direction to the upward force exerted by the chair on you? Correct option is B, your body's weight. Who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in April 2025? Correct option is D, Dr. Poonam Gupta. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct option is C, 30th. Which of the following compounds is heated to prepare washing soda? Right option is A, sodium bicarbonate. Who won the Laureus World Action Sportsperson of the Year award at the 2025 Laureus World Sports Awards? Correct option is C, Tom Pidcock. What is the molecular mass of sodium sulfate? Right option is B, 142 gram per mole. The ISRO PSLV C-60-1 mission failed due to a malfunction in which stage of the rocket? Right option is C, stage PS3 or third stage. What is the term for the angle between the initial incident ray and the final emergent ray after light passes through a prism? Correct option is D, angle of deviation. Which Indian former footballer was awarded the Padma Shri in 2025? Correct option is C, I. M. Vijayan. In which type of solution does a cell lose water through osmosis and consequently shrink? Correct option C, hypertonic solution. Which Indian state has launched India's first tribal genome project to tackle genetic diseases among tribal communities? Right option is A, Gujarat. What type of physical quantity is force? Right option is B, vector quantity. What are the main products formed when a strong acid reacts with a strong base in an aqueous solution? Right option is D, salt and water. Which Indian wrestler secured the only gold medal for India at the 2025 Asian Wrestling Championships held in Jordan? Correct option is D, Manisha Bhanwala. Which compounds are required for the manufacture of baking soda? Correct option is C, sodium chloride, ammonia, and carbon dioxide in water. Who won the gold medal in the men's javelin throw event at the Ostrava Golden Spike 2025? Correct option is A, Neeraj Chopra. Which equation correctly shows the relationship between power, work, and time? Right option is B, P is equal to W upon T. In which of the following organisms does sexual reproduction occur? Right option is D, humans. In the union budget, how many daycare cancer centers does the government plan to set up in the financial year 2025 to 26? Correct option is C, 200. What is the SI unit of force? Correct option is C, Newton. Which functional group is present in propanone or acetone? Right option is D, ketone. Which type of tissue in the human body is responsible for movement due to its ability to relax and contract? Correct option is B, muscle tissue. Resistors of 4 ohm, 8 ohm and 12 ohm are connected in series. If the voltage of the circuit is 12 volts, what is the current? Right option is A, 0.5 ampere. Which of the following is not an example of biodegradation? Correct option is C, plastic. Which of the following statements about the principal axis of a spherical mirror is correct? Correct option is A, both the radius of curvature and the pole lie on the principal axis.